February 11th, 2021 focus question. So again, we have the same thing that we've had. We have that Katie asked her fellow Girl Scout troops the following statistical question. How many years have they been Girl Scouts? We're going to find the mean. Remember, on Monday, we found the mode, which was the number it was the most of. The number we saw the most of. That range was that biggest number minus the smallest number. And that median was the number in the middle. Now we're going to find the mean. The mean is a little bit mean to us because first of all, we have this as our average. And we're going to add them all up. Add all up. Then divide by the total number of numbers. All right, so let's add them up. So we have, let's do a different color. We have 0, so 0 is part of our data. So we have 0, we have 3. 3 plus 3 is going to be 6. 6 plus 0 is still 6. Plus 2 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. Plus 2 again, 11. 12, 13. Plus 5 is going to be to 18. And then plus 2 is going to be 20. So when you add all of them up, you get 20. Now we're going to divide them. Divide 20 by the total number there are. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So what is 20 divided by 10? Well, 20 divided by 10 is going to be 2. So our mean is going to be 2. And that's going to be it for our focus question.